What's up YouTube, NetNam channel here, and today I wanted to give you a short update on the Bronco Unleashed application. I've been using it for about 3 years now and I'm really happy with it. The application basically is an alternative for the standard Cowboy application which you use to turn on or off your bicycle, turn on or off your lights, etc. I posted another video where I explain how the installation is done, so I will put a link below. So let's start up the application. And as you can see here, I already paired my bicycle with the application. So if we click on my bicycle, then we will get into the main screen you see here. And this says that the bike is locked. So let's unlock it right now. Then we get into the main screen. And basically what you see here is a speedometer, a timer, how much kilometers you did this drive, and the state of your battery. In the screen you can also turn on or off your lights, that I do right now. You can lock your bicycle as well as push the button to get into the options of the app. Let's get into the options right now. Here you can see all the options for the application. And as you might notice, there's a lot more options than in the video I did earlier about the older app. So we'll go through all the options. Let's start with speed limit. You can change the speed limit of your bicycle from 25 to 35 kilometers per hour. And if you push the button apply, it will upload these settings to your bicycle. When you start it up again, you don't need to change it again. It will know what settings you last updated. You can also change the speed setting in a different way, where you fully disable the speed limit completely. Mind that you won't be reaching light speed with this. I guess that you will get to 35-40 kilometers per hour, but I'm not really sure. I never tried this. And I can imagine it's not really good for your battery. So let's get back to the options screen, where we have a look at field weakening. And this menu really changes the behavior of how you cycle. You will notice when you put this on 20% that it will cycle a lot lighter. It will really change the feel of the bicycle. It's like you have a strong wind in your back, even more than with the standard settings. If you apply the settings, it also warns about the battery. I'm not using this personally because I enjoy the ride as it is with the standard settings. And here it also gives you a warning about the use of this option. So let's abort, get back to the main menu and have a look at initial torque. Initial torque is the way that you start driving your bicycles. basically from 0 kilometers per hour to like 5 kilometers per hour, I guess. You can set it on rough, where the acceleration is fast, or you can set it on soft, where the acceleration is a little slower, but it feels much more comfortable and easy to accelerate. Another option in the menu is fault diagnostics. To be honest, I'm not really sure what this does. I can imagine that it reads out the engine or the electronic speed controller, things like that. Yeah, my bicycle is perfectly fine, as you see here. Then there is bike details. And for this option, you have to log in with your credentials. I'm not really sure what this does, but I guess it has something to do with the GPS location of your bicycle. So let's skip this option real fast. Then there's the auto lock timer, and this determines how much time it takes for your bicycle to auto lock when you don't use it. Usually I've set my bicycle with the standard settings for 10 minutes. And of course, there's more information about Bronco Unleashed, and you can disconnect here. These are the new features of Bronco Unleashed. Again, I'm really happy with the application. I'm not using the original application anymore because I really enjoy Bronco Unleashed. Not because of the speed limit that you can change, but more, it drives a little bit more relaxing, I think. So I've really been enjoying this application. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments or send me a personal message, and see you in the next one.